Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making low sugar donuts from scratch. This is donuts with very low sugar content, and we have the vanilla version, the chocolate version, the chocolate and strawberry version, the chocolate and vanilla version, and the vanilla and strawberry version. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's low sugar donuts. So we have 100 ml of evaporated milk, which is my favorite kind of milk. We also have 100 grams of flour, 250 grams of butter. We use a tablespoon of vanilla essence. We also use some pink gel food coloring. We use 150 grams of sugar. We also use a tablespoon of baking powder and half a tablespoon of powdered salt, 106 grams of eggs, and then 28 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder. We'll be using our 12-slot donut machine here, our stand mixer, a cooling rack and a serving tray, a spare bowl and a spatula, our sieve. We'll use a scissors, 2 skewers, and then some toothpick, not forgetting our piping bags and some tissue. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Into our bowl, I'm going to place on our sieve and then we'll pour in our flour. We'll add the baking powder and the salt. Then we'll sift into our bowl. Now we'll use the spatula to mix everything together. And then we'll set it aside. We'll move on to the mixing of our wet ingredients, starting with the butter. Now we'll add in the sugar, cream both until light, airy and fluffy. I'm going to scrape the bowl and then we'll mix once more. We are mixing till there are no sugar granules visibly present in the butter. This is how the mixture looks like. You can see how fluffy and soft it has become, and there are no visible sugar granules. So we are going to add in our eggs one at a time, and then we combine. going to add in the dry ingredients bit by bit. And combine. So that is our donuts batter all done. We are going to add in our vanilla essence and our milk. We are going to mix everything together. So we are going to pick some out of it into our bowl here. We have set some aside, and then this is what we have left. We are going to add in our cocoa powder and then half tablespoon of our evaporated milk to mix everything into a chocolate batter. Plain butter. So I'm going to fetch some into our piping bag here, and we'll set it aside, and then we'll add in our pink gel food coloring. Then we'll combine. So this is the color we obtained. We are going to add it into our piping bag here. Heating our donut maker. So when it finishes heating, we are going to start piping in our donut batters here, starting with our vanilla donut batter. We move on to adding the chocolates and then the strawberry. We will also make marbled ones as well. So it has heated up. We'll start piping in. Cover it and then allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. They are ready, so I'm using the skewers to remove it and then place it here. This is how they look like. They are almost done. This is how they look like. So we are going to pipe the chocolate versions, remove them with the same method, and then we continue. Pipe the chocolate batter into the donut maker. We are going to make half chocolate, half vanilla. So I'll pipe the vanilla on the other sides that are not filled. Now we'll cover and allow it to cook. And these are all the donuts after they've been made. So these are the vanilla ones. Then we switch to the vanilla and chocolate, and then the vanilla and strawberry and chocolate versions, and then the chocolate ones as well. So we are going to serve them. This is how they look like. So this is how they look like up close. I'm going to break into it and just look at that.
Try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section.
This is how the chocolate version looks like, so I'm going to break into it.
So this is how the chocolates and vanilla donuts look like. And this is how they look on the inside. This is the vanilla and strawberry. And this is how it looks. This is the chocolates and strawberry. And this is how it also looks like.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.